Hello, Mrs. Rossman's class. Today we're going to be working on your comic ad. Um, so last week we were on slide 1 and you guys just put a call out on slide 1. Today we're going to actually create slide 2. We'll be able to pick a different comic character. We'll have another call out as well, but you can change the saying on that. So let's get our slide 2. So I'm going to be on slide 1 and I'm going to go up to slide and I'm just going to duplicate because we want that frame also. So instead of having to remake it, I'm just going to duplicate it. So I'm going to slide and then click on duplicate slide. And now I got my slide 2. So make sure you're on slide 2 now and not on slide 1. I'm going to click on this character and I'm going to delete him out because I'm going to pick something else. And we will need a call out. So I'm just going to drag that over here for right now and just get it out of the way. So I'm going to try to find my comic character. So I'm going to open up a new tab. And I'm going to put into my Google comic. I got comic characters PNG. Remember we want that PNG because we don't want them in boxes. So comic characters PNG. And then I'm going to click on images. My internet seems to be working slow right now. Which gives us a lot of characters, but we have to make sure we can use them for our school project. So I'm going to click on Tools and Usage Rights, and I'm going to go Labeled for Non-Commercial Reuse with Modification. So I took a lot of them out, but I know I can use these for my school project. And I think I'm just going to, again, make sure everything's always school appropriate, whatever picture you decide. I think I'm going to click on Superman here. So click on him first, and then, because then I think the last class we were having problems getting the backgrounds off. But if I click on him and get him bigger over here, we can see it's taken the background off. So I'm going to right click, copy image. And then I'm going to go back to my ad, and now I need to paste. Control V, right click and paste, edit, paste. So let's get use paste, and let's get your character. Now everything has to fit inside of our black box. And Superman looks like he's kind of missing part of his leg, so I'm actually going to drag him down so it looks like maybe the other part is below the frame. And I might make him a little bigger. I don't want him really little. That's a little too big. He's out of the frame. So again, we got to keep everything within our black frame. You can be on the black frame, but you just got to make sure everything's inside. And I do want a speech bubble on the slide. So I'm going to click on my speech bubble, but it's not pointing in the right direction now. So I'm going to click on that little yellow diamond and drag that point over. So it's more to Superman. And he's going to say something different. So I'm going to backspace all of that out. So let's see, slide 1, Dr. Pepper is smashing good. So as long as your speech bubble is selected, you'll be able to type in it. And we had size 18, and I had Anton for my font. So he's going to say, yes, Dr. Pepper is super good, since it's coming from Superman. So we got our second slide, we got our comic character, we got a speech bubble. Now we can change the background color. We don't have to have the same background color as slide 1. So as long as I don't have anything selected, I'll have this option here of background. But if I have like my character selected, I lose that option. So click off. Let's go to background. And I'm going to choose color. I might go to gradient this time. So maybe I want to try to find something gradient that's going to look nice. And click on a color, and then I'm going to choose done. I don't think we did gradient on slide 1, but if you want to go back and change that, you're more than welcome to. So we have slide 2. The only other thing that you may want to do is, sometimes in characters they might have like a pow or a bang or a pop or, like in a explosion type shape. But we're going to make that. So if you have this part done, then you're finished with this video. And then you can watch the second video if you wish to put a pop or something like that in one of your slides, either on slide 1 or slide 2 or both. So it's up to you. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. You can email me. Thanks. Bye-bye.